Are you ready to bring cinema-quality sound right into your living room? The Sony HT-S40R 5.1ch home theater soundbar system is designed to give you the ultimate surround sound experience. With real 5.1-channel audio and 600 watts of total power output, it transforms ordinary TV watching into something extraordinary. The system includes a sleek soundbar, subwoofer, and rear speakers, creating an immersive environment where every note, dialogue, and sound effect feels alive. Whether it's a blockbuster action film or your favorite concert, this system ensures you get the best seat in the house. What makes the Sony HT-S40R stand out is its flexibility and convenience. The rear speakers deliver powerful surround sound to complete your home cinema, while wireless connectivity allows seamless music streaming. Switching modes is simple with the remote. Choose sound settings tailored to movies, music, or even late-night viewing, with dialogue enhancement that fine-tunes speech clarity and reduces bass when needed. Setup is effortless too, thanks to easy color-coded connections. Plus, with HDMI, optical, and analog input options, compatibility with your TV or devices is never an issue. For those who value quality and reliability, Sony delivers once again. Customers praise its immersive audio, stylish design, and user-friendly setup. Rated 3.9 out of 5 by over 8,000 users, it stands strong in the competitive home audio market. If you're looking to elevate your entertainment, this is a smart investment. Don't wait, click the link in the description to grab the Sony HT-S40R today and enjoy theater quality sound at home. Would you like me to also format this script like a spoken narration, with natural pauses and emphasis cues, so it's ready to be recorded?